These rust cleaning videos are going really viral these days on the internet, and people are getting millions of views on them. Today, I will teach you how to create these types of rust cleaning videos using AI, and that too, totally free. I have created a master prompt that allows you to easily make these kinds of videos. You can create any object video using this prompt. You don't need to worry, I will provide the link to this prompt in the description for you. So first of all, you need to copy the entire prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click on Generate. ChatGPT gives you multiple options. You can choose the one you like best, or you can ask it to give you more names, and then select from those. In my case, I will select the iron water pipe, which is number 9. When you type 9, ChatGPT will give you an image prompt that includes all the information, and along with that, it will also give you a video prompt. Go to Grok AI, click on the Imagine section, and after selecting the ratio as 9:16, you'll paste the image prompt there and then click on Generate. Grok AI will give you multiple images, and you just need to choose the one you like best and then download it. You need to upload this image to Grok AI, and after uploading, click on the Make Video option. Then, in the prompt, you'll paste the video prompt that ChatGPT gave you and click Generate. Your video will be ready in a little while. Let me show you this with another example. This time I will go with number 5, the steel railroad spike. We'll follow the same process. ChatGPT will give us one image prompt and one video prompt. Then we'll go back to Grok AI, open the image section, paste the image prompt, and generate. After that, we'll do the exact same steps for the video generation. So this is how we create viral rust cleaning videos using AI completely free. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.